Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a haul from the Groove Collective. It is a online service that you can order all natural cleaning products. They even have some beauty products. They have like toothpaste, toothbrush, lots of things. I'll leave the link below, but I'm just gonna go over what I got. So, no order or anything. First, when you first sign up, they send you gifts. So this was one of my gifts, one of my free gifts. Let's see, focus. This is a spray bottle. So they sent me I haven't even opened the stuff yet. This actually has some water stains on it. So it kind of makes me think maybe something in my box leaked. Because I haven't opened anything yet. This is my first time looking in here. But I don't care about the box. It's not a big deal. So they sent me this spray bottle. And feels like plastic. No, it's actually like a glass bottle. You can use this to put like any of your cleaning supplies in it. Which I like it, and it's gray and it matches all of my things here. So that's perfect for me. Okay, I'm back. So next I got some multi-surface cleaning, and I got it in the rose scent. I haven't tried the rose scent yet, so this is gonna be my first time trying that. I normally use the lemon verbena. So I wanted to see what the rose smelled like. Next I got some daily shower, Method daily shower. I have showers, so daily shower is pretty good to just spray every day instead of having to like totally clean. Then like once a week I do like a good cleaning, but I use the daily shower every day. Next I got some kids fluoride rinse, and it is in wild strawberry. There we go. So I got kids fluoride in oh, that's too bright. Okay, so I got some kids strawberry fluoride. Kids fluoride rinse, and it has no alcohol in it, anti-cavity, no alcohol, so good for the little ones. Next I got Meyers Clean Day dish soap, and this is in my normal scent, the lemon verbena. I just like the way that one smells. I use that on most of the products that I have from them, from Meyers. This is my first time trying the surface scrub in the same scent. And it's like gonna replace Comet, you know, since Comet has toxins in it, this one does not. So I'm looking forward to trying this one on my bathrooms and stuff like that. So next I got some Method Peony Rose Water Pink Sea Salt Body Wash. So I haven't tried Method body wash yet, but I'm anxious to try it. I've been kind of looking at it at Target here and there, but never really tried it. And it's not a strong scent or anything, which is good, because I'm looking for something a little light. So I'm gonna try that. Next I got the lemon verbena hand soap. And I actually use these hand soaps in most of my bathrooms, most of the time. But I don't have this scent. But it is my favorite scent, so that's my go-to. Let's see. I got these European dishcloths. And I actually got this off of like watching Groove reviews or hauls, what have you. And the lady said that she really liked these. They help replace using so many paper towels. So I use a lot of paper towels. It was interesting. Give it a try. Let's see. And this is just what they put in your order, and it just says, "We're so happy you're here. Peek inside, learn more." Okay, so this is one of the gifts they gave, the Stoneware. It's like a Stoneware dish, I'm gonna say. It was one of the free gifts. So let me open this thingy. And girl, don't be looking at my nails, because me and these nails, yeah. If I waited on these, like, I literally just got these nails done a week ago. I'm not even lying. A week ago. And most of them have fell off. So maybe them people forgot how to do nails during the quarantine. I don't know, girl, because as soon as the nail shop opened, I ran my butt back up in there, got me some nails, and got some terrible nails. So I might give them another week or so to get their stuff together and figure out how to do nails again, because I've never had a set that falls off in 1 week. It's crazy. But yeah, don't be trying to judge me on my nails, because normally they done, but today they not. So this is the stone tray thingy, and I'll probably just use this to hold like my in my kitchen, my hand soap. I don't really leave my like dishwashing soap out, but I might leave it out since I have this one now. So I might just put my hand soap and my dishwasher dish soap on there. And if I'm using a scrubber, maybe throw that on there. I'm actually probably gonna no, this is two. So I'm like, this is too long. So yeah, I can put this one like scrubber thing on here, my dishwasher soap and my hand soap, and it's like a nice little decorative thing to put on your sink, because I have the island, so everything is open. So yeah, that's all I got on my first order. Next time when I make an order, I'll make a video and kind of go over things that I really liked a lot, things I'm going to order again, and kind of how I like the groove. So thanks for watching.